welcome back to the channel. This week we're going to take a look at a 2022 BMW 3 Series 330i X-Drive all-wheel drive from National Car Rental, Toronto Pearson Airport. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe button if you want to see more of these car reviews and videos. And if you like what you're watching, give the video a quick like, appreciate it. And let's take a look at this BMW. You'll find this BMW 330i in the luxury category over at National Car Rental, and the odd time you might find it under or available for an upgrade under Premier Selection. Alright, let's take this BMW 330i rental car from National Car Rental out for a drive. And that's actually one of the things I often forget on the BMWs is actually quite a few of the later model cars. You gotta press the release lever on the shifter when you switch it over. Let me just roll up the windows here. Right now we got the sunroof open, which is really nice. Go ahead and close that probably in a minute if it gets a little too windy. Yeah, it's fairly good acceleration. Let's close this for the windows. And it's a beautiful day in Ontario, just north of Toronto here. We're in November, and the high was 24 degrees today Celsius, which is probably upper 70s Fahrenheit. Beautiful day for a drive. And overall, I really do like the handling of the BMW. Reminds me a lot of the newer Audis. It's very balanced. It's a very soft ride. Maybe I should rephrase that, a very comfortable ride. It still handles the corners quite well. Acceleration is pretty good. I really like these widescreen navigation maps for the infotainment and Apple CarPlay. You can probably see it there. And for the climate control, you've got direct access with most of the buttons here. Your radio volume and presets down here. Two cup holders in here. And we'll just go around this corner here. Right now I'm in comfort drive mode. There are different modes. There's Eco Pro. If we switch over to that. And then just coming into this corner here, I'm going to switch into Sport. Probably hear the engine downshift as we come out of the corner here. Just noticing now, I think it's a little bit louder in sport mode. I wonder if maybe they're piping in some audio through the speakers. I'm not sure about that. Alright, let's go through some more corners here. Kind of see how it's very nicely balanced. It's a little bit of lean, not too much. Acceleration again, see if it's... Yeah, it's hard to tell if it's the same volume level or not. You've got all your controls on the steering wheel for cruise control. for the phone. Volume on your infotainment is on the right hand side there. Got the Apple Car display up here. It's got wireless Apple CarPlay, so I'm filming this on the iPhone 14 Pro. And the same phone is actually running a wireless CarPlay while I'm filming this. Switch back into the infotainment. Let's see if it's going to let me here. And then there's the BMW screens. So you can go into your media, you can do your climate control. And it does have touch, which is nice. And you can also use the controller down here. I don't really bother with that. Alright, let's try a 0 to 60 kilometers an hour, not 60 miles an hour. Here's the release lever for the engine compartment. And on BMWs, if you pull it twice, it'll release the safety latch on the trunk. And then all you need to do is just open it up like that, lift it up. And we've got a 2-liter turbo. It says twin power turbo here. I checked the website and it was a little over 250 horsepower, maybe 255. Torque was actually pretty reasonable. I think it was around 295 foot-pounds. Yeah, it's a fairly decent sized trunk. Lots of room in here for your luggage. Nice and wide opening, and the back seat will fold down if you need a little bit more storage space or if you're transporting something a little bit larger. And let's take a look at the back seat. Now I've got the driver's seat back almost all the way. There's still a bit of leg room, and you can see the over here on the passenger side, the front seat's forward a little bit more room. It's got some climate controls in the back here. USB-C charging. And inside the trunk, especially in some of these BMWs, if you want to fold down the back seat, they've got the release levers actually in the trunk as opposed to in the back seat. You can kind of see it right here. So if we just go ahead and let me try to do this with the other hand here. We just give that a pull. And there you go. After pulling down the back seat, you can see it from the trunk side here, and we'll just take a quick look over at the back seat. And here you can see the back seat with the seats folded down and the amount of space there.